2015 Equinox. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote keyless entry, dual power mirrors, interval wipers, rear wiper. Inside you'll find backup camera, OnStar Communication System, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, power driver's seat, tilt steering wheel, cloth upholstery, rear defroster, AM/FM stereo radio. Fuel efficiency, safety, and value equals the Chevy Equinox. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.